And joining me right now is Anthony Köcken, Chief Operating Officer of Hummingbird Resources, here to provide an update on the construction development of the company's second gold-producing asset, Kourussa in Guinea. Welcome, Anthony.
Yeah, hi, Justin, and thanks for the intro. Justin, look, I'm speaking to you from Kouroussa, just having arrived on site. I've been in Mali, Yanfolila, since the start of the year, since the 2nd of January. So it's good to be here on the ground. Excellent
stuff. Yes, nice to see you on site and branded up in your gold shirt there, all going to plan. So before we start, can you give us a general background update in terms of construction progress on Kouroussa and how are you tracking the plan there?
Yeah, thanks, Justin. Look, the mining license was awarded in May 2021, and then we secured the funding, $100 million in October. We've then moved quickly into the deployment phase and mobilisation in December 2021, and actual construction started in January 2022. Now, this has resulted in around 350 personnel on site, ranging from contractors to our own personnel and security staff and the like. As part of one of our priorities, community engagement has got a lot of focus, and we're doing that with our health, safety and environmental engagement teams. And we're actively in the communities and establishing some very good relationships. Our target remains for our first gold pour for Q2 2023, so all on track.
Yeah, it's amazing how many people goes into this logistics and the organisation. 350 people, amazing. So, in terms of the next stage of construction, what should we expect over the next few months?
Well, we've begun the foundation works and the civils, particularly on the CIL tanks. We've started pouring concrete in the last couple of days, so the physical construction is well ahead. As part of this, activities like clearing and grubbing and site establishment ready for the infrastructure is well underway. We've started the TSF and we've been clearing the basin and also using that material as foundations for the plant as a whole and also for the camp location. On top of that, the camp infrastructure is well underway and also preparing for the power generation site. So lots of activity on site, and really it's full steam ahead with the construction.
I see. And you mentioned the target there. What would you say then is the sort of your key challenges in terms of meeting your timeline of scheduled first gold pour by the end of Q2 2023 build, and how you're looking to mitigate these challenges?
Yeah, obviously there's time and cost inflation issues, and the mitigation of this, particularly we have a fixed term and a fixed price contract with the constructor, Wacom. Employment and HR, making sure we get the right skills and the right cultural fit is well underway. Wet season preparation and planning. We have a detailed wet weather plan and execution phase moving along. Community engagement remains a key priority. We have positive relationships with all the key stakeholder groups within the near vicinity in the mine and with the government. We continue to work through any issues that arise with the community and deal with them in a transparent way. We have a fantastically experienced team on site working for the company, and also we have a quality contractor and a business partner in Wacom who've mobilised to plan and are executing to the quality we require.
Excellent stuff. And you continue to publish some stellar drilling assay results. Can you tell us what's been interpreted about these results from your side, please?
Yeah, we completed the drilling, the 2021 drilling on schedule late in 2021, and we've been progressing the analysis of that data for both assets, for Kouroussa and Yanfolila. At Kouroussa, we completed 24,000 metres of drilling, and that drilling is going particularly around the Koi pit, which is the main deposit, and the intent is to convert the inferred to indicated resources. This includes the update to multiple mineralisation zones that are contained within the current grade domains at Köcken. As you know, and previously released, we currently have 408,000 ounces at 4.38 grams per tonne. In summary, we expect this mineral endowment to increase with this drilling. The drilling results are being fed into the resource and reserve analysis, and the team is working through that at the moment as part of the update that will be released in Q2 2022 for the reserves. And we expect the reserve base for Kouroussa to increase with this new data that we've received.
Yeah. Well, you touched on it there, but in terms generally of upcoming news flow for Kouroussa and Hummingbird, what should we expect over the next few months?
Yeah, look, we expect to keep the investors informed with more updates similar to this, and also press releases. There will be some videos and some footage, drone footage, that will be updating onto our website so people can actually physically see the progress of the construction. Q1 is just completed, and we expect those results to be released late April. So again, another news update with that. We expect to be at some conferences during the year in Darba, some one-to-one engagements in the diary. Monty and others will be doing a lot of marketing and information sessions, particularly explaining our growth platform. On top of that, we have Dugbe in Liberia with our earning partner Pasifino. The DFS release is in the near future. Just in summary, the geology teams have been working diligently in updating all of the models for the reserves and the resources. So we expect to see some exciting news coming out as part of the Kouroussa reserve update in Q2.
Excellent stuff. Well, Anthony, it's good to catch up with you there, live on site in Kouroussa, and hopefully you catch up in the not too distant future, as there's plenty of news flow forthcoming. Thanks a lot.
Absolute pleasure, Justin. Thank you.